PowerBreezer, makers of PowerBreezer Mobile and Sky Evaporative coolers that cool people, not the space. We cool where no one else can. In some environments, compounded sounds can make it difficult to meet OSHA's recommended total workplace noise levels. To help you stay under those levels, PowerBreezer has enhanced our offering by introducing a new accessory, the Sound Dampener. Engineered to work with both PowerBreezer Mobile and Sky units, it attaches to the back of the unit's head, effectively reducing the sound. The following examples show a worker positioned 1 meter away from both the PowerBreezer Mobile and then the Sky unit. Ambient sound levels were approximately 39 decibels. The units were recorded at their top fan speed of 10. Note the reduction in total sound when the dampener was introduced. The benefits are: reduces sound by 16 decibels. As a reference, a running blender produces approximately 90 decibels of noise versus a dishwasher that is approximately 75 decibels. This difference is comparable to the reduction utilizing the Sound Dampener. Keeps employees safe by reducing exposure to healthy OSHA recommended sound levels. Works with both PowerBreezer Mobile and Sky units. Hear the difference a PowerBreezer Sound Dampener can make. Order yours today or contact us to learn more.